What's up everybody, this is Danny and I'm here in New York City to check out the brand new Blackberry Key 2, and I got to see this phone a little bit earlier and has a lot of improvements that I think is going to be key for success for this year. So it has a brand new design, it's got 6 gigabytes of RAM, which should help a ton with performance, 3,500 milliamp hour battery for up to 2 days battery use, but I guess we'll have to check that out. It also has a Snapdragon 660, and it also has an improved keyboard for all the people that love the physical keyboard. So I think it's solid with a dual camera setup as well with portrait mode, which I'm gonna be definitely testing out. But what I wanna do today is I wanna go ask your favorite YouTubers what they think about the Blackberry Key 2. So let's go and do this. What do we have here? Michael Fisher.
That's me. Hi,
the
Danny.
Mr. Mobile. What's going on, man? So, what do you think about the Key 2?
I think that it's going to be my next phone, if they can fix one big problem. Was that YouTube enough for you? Here's my problem, not with the Key 2, my problem was with the Key 1. It was, for all the things I loved about it, it slowed down, it became dog slow after an unacceptably short period of time after my review. So the Key 2 has to stay fast. That is the principal challenge.
So the 6 gigabytes of RAM should help, right? What do you think?
I don't think so. They'll help with the multitasking, certainly keeping more apps in memory as much as Android can do that, but in terms of the actual speed, it's software optimization, I think. And the only way we can see how that fares is to use it in the real world.
So you think they should have gone with the flagship processor?
No, not necessarily, because Motorola does really well with those 600 series processors, you know? I mean, those phones fly, the Moto Z Play, the Z2 Play. So I think it's just a matter of something BlackBerry's doing in the software, and heaven knows they're doing a lot more with all that security stuff.
I guarantee there's going to be a comment, BlackBerry's dead, BlackBerry's dead. What do they need to do?
I don't know. I feel like they demonstrated it with the Key 1 already. They intended to launch that thing in, I think, a handful of markets, and they ended up selling it in something like 90 countries or 100 countries or something. Like, that was, for whatever units it actually sold, I think something like 900,000, it was like a runaway success compared to their expectations. At least that's the story I've heard. So I think the Key 2 is only going to be a refinement of that, as long as people can swallow the price.
Yeah, I think that's probably the biggest thing here, man.
That's going to be a tough
$650 is kind of tough with the OnePlus 6 out there.
Right. Yeah, we're in kind of an LG situation, I feel like. Yeah. You know, it's just like, wow, great phone. What's the price again? Oh, let me sleep on that.
We can end it here then. That's enough. Yeah.
Is it?
Because you just broke down everything. Who else do I need to talk to right now?
But I feel like I was like negative Nancy the whole time. I feel like I didn't get to talk about how much sexy it is.
It is. And also it has like a secure browser. What's that called again?
I don't know, but
the
it's
Firefox thing?
Oh yeah, that's right. I didn't pay attention to that. I like the smart key. I was paying attention to that.
Yeah, I mean, but isn't that really just a porn phone though? Isn't that what that is?
Yeah, pretty much. It's a Snapchat phone.
All right, let's see who else we can find in the venue.
Yes, okay.
Oh my God, is that the Colonel?
Oh yes, thank you very much, thank you.
What do you think about this Blackberry Key 2? You have one right there.
Oh, I love it. See, this phone, right, is very special. It's got some security features, which means I can hide, my babes, my business transaction. I meant I can hide documents anywhere secure, and I also have very good permission. Plus, the battery life is good for jungle warfare. 2 days in the jungle, you can use this phone. It's tight.
Okay, so people are saying here that BlackBerry is dead. What do you think about that?
How can they say it's dead? Look at this thing, it's sexy. This keyboard here, right? It's got, what happened? The keyboard here can move. You see, you can also just change and press button like this. You go into a different application.
That's called Speed Key.
Yes, thank you very much. And here, the security here. This thing basically protects me from all those girls who are trying to get my information. I'm telling you.
You don't want that.
No, you can't. Baby, I'm very loyal.
All right, I'm gonna go for the swollen look.
All right, good.
All right, we got Floss right here.
What up?
That's right. So what do you think about the Key 2, man?
I like it. I'm gonna try to go into it with an open mind this time. I don't know about the keyboard. Those days might be over, but we'll see. So far, so good though.
All right, what do you think about the last one? So the last one you weren't really
Last
feeling?
one was trash.
Trash?
Last one was, the only thing I did like about it, it does work as a good paperweight. But other than that, trash.
Well, let's hope this is not a paperweight then.
Yeah, Snapdragon 630, 620?
660, I think. It's all the 600 series.
But the price is all right. $600, I can work with that.
All right, so we'll see what the real review says.
Oh yeah, no doubt.
All right, thanks, man.
Always a pleasure, baby.
All right.
picture together.
Oh!
Nobody saw
phone is
that.
that? What
Nobody
phone
saw
is
that. Nobody saw that. Oh, look at that. It's protected. It's protected. It's all right.
You have the blue one.
Of course.
Hey, sponsored by Samsung.
It's not sponsored, but they paid me.
Hashtag the next big thing is here.
All right, so I'm now at the Blackberry cocktail mixer, and there's a ton of people here that you know, but I'm gonna try to find a couple more people to see what they think about the Blackberry, especially after they've had a couple of drinks. It's John V.
You're here.
It's John V.
Well, that's
Look
pretty-
at that big drink, man.
Yeah.
Blackberry Key 2. Tell me about it. What do you think?
It's not bad, but it's kind of expensive.
Yeah, hey, Jason's only over there. Don't worry about it.
No, I know. I don't know. $650? That's kind of tight. 1 + 6. No, it's
Oh! Sponsored by OnePlus. Never settle. Never settle.
Carl. You heard that?
Never settle, baby.
I'm here with my friend Chris.
Hi.
And he's going to tell you a few words about the new Blackberry Key 2. I love the phone. What about you?
I hate it. Disgusting. Absolutely.
Are you serious? No. I was about to slap you.
Okay, why is it so terrible? I want
Why
to know.
is it terrible?
Because
What do you hate so long?
Because they've made the keyboard better. They've made the keyboard bigger and flatter and more usable.
Check this
And
out.
I-
Second keyboard guy.
And I love disgusting, shitty keyboards. So the Key 2 is definitely not for me. Also, I hate cameras. I hate multiple cameras on the same phone. So the fact that there's a dual camera for the first time, I take that as a personal affront. Really, I really.
Okay, what does affront mean?
Means I've been
English.
They slapped me in the face. Dual camera, double slap.
So I found Jaime. All right, so tell me the truth. What do you think
You should have
about...
asked me this question like two bottles of wine ago.
No. You gotta get the truth.
Buzz people never lie. Ask.
Okay, so what do you really think about this phone?
When I saw this phone for the first time, all I asked was one thing. Can you make this keyboard feel like the Bold 9900? The moment I asked that question, the designer handed me the phone proudly and told me, yes, we've done it. And ever since then, I have been wanting to use this phone as my daily driver.
What's the biggest flaw about that phone?
Oh my God.
Come on
flaw.
now. The biggest flaw. What would you change?
I need to test it. So for example, in the case of the Key 1, the keyboard was mushy on it, and I told them from day one. And the second was the camera was great, but it was slow. So if they figure that part out, there's no reason for me not to use it.
Sponsored by Blackberry.
Definitely Blackberry.
Blackberry. Let me check his pockets.
Yes.
What?
He's been paid.
Pocket now?
All right, so that about does it. I'm signing out for the Blackberry Key 2. I'm gonna get this device really soon, so expect a full review on this. It was a little bit of fun, so hope you enjoyed this. Subscribe for more. If you like videos like this, then I'll do most of my coverage like this if you like it. So, signing out. See you guys later.